You probably already know that for your off-road vehicle to run, you need a drive belt installed. This important component transfers power from your engine to your wheels and plays a key role in propelling your vehicle forward. And while there are other brands that manufacture off-road drive belts, ours were designed specifically for our machines. Stick around to learn more because we're here today with a crash course. Can-Am drive belts were made to perfectly match the drivetrain calibration of your ride and optimize the performance of your vehicle. Made with cutting-edge PBO high-tensile strength polymer fiber construction, these belts are built to last. Like we do with all of our products, we rigorously tested our belts to meet our strict standards and to ensure that they deliver superior throttle with 0 RPM loss. Of course, on top of the countless hours we spent dyno and physical testing this drive belt, we had to take it racing to put it to the ultimate test. In fact, tons of prize-winning racers have taken home the trophy with the help of a Can-Am drive belt. But as I'm sure you can imagine, this level of performance wouldn't mean much if these drive belts couldn't stand up to tough conditions, so we also built this component to last. Our drive belts were specifically engineered to optimize longevity, so you can maximize those miles and make the absolute most out of every rip on the trails. Don't forget to use the Fits On tool on our website to find the right belt for your go-to vehicle. And subscribe to learn more about the products we make to complement your setup. Have a blast out there, and we'll catch you all soon.